Hello everyone, welcome. Today we'll be doing some Surya Namaskars. Let us start with some body movements. Breathe in, lift the shoulders up. As you exhale, rotate the shoulders from the back. Continue the movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And rotate in the reverse direction now. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax. Now raise your arms from the sides, stretch it up nicely, and relax your left arm down and stretch to the left side. Take deep breaths and come up. And now the other side. Exhale, the right arm goes down and stretch to the right side. Take deep breaths. And slowly come up, relax. Now raise both your arms to the sides and start twisting your arms. Exhale, 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 exhale. Continue. And slow down, and relaxed. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. And now let us stretch our legs forward. Sit straight, pull and push your toes. पैर को अंदर बाहर अंदर. Knees are touching the mat. Now rotate the ankles. Very good. And reverse. And relax. And now slowly let's come to the cat stretch. Your palms in line with the shoulders, knees in line with the buttocks. We breathe in, look up, push your tailbone up. Exhale, chin to the chest, pull the tummy in, tailbone in. Breathe in, curve your spine, look up with a smile. Exhale, chin to the chest, pull the tummy, tailbone in. Breathe in, look up. Exhale, look down, and breathing in, relax. Now raise your right arm forward and the left leg back in one straight line. Stretch them out as if someone is pulling. Exhale and stretch. Stretch, 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 and relax. Now the left arm and the right leg in one straight line and push it out. Stretch it more. Hold there and exhale, relax. And as you breathe in, go back and relax your arms forward. Shishuvasana, the child's pose. And breathing in, curving the spine, slowly come up and very gently you may stand up. धीरे से खड़े हो जाएं. And now let us start walking on the spot. अपनी जगह पर walk करें. And let us now shake the palms. थोड़ा हाथों को झाड़ें. Continue. Up and shake, side and shake, down, side, up, side, down, and now jump. Jump on the toes and twist. Twist, twist, exhale, 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 exhale. Continue twisting. And now let us start jogging again. Move to the sides. Very good, very good. And now we will do some jumping jacks. As you breathe in, stretch your arms and jump. Continue. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Stretch your arms nicely. अच्छे से हाथों को ऊपर लेकर जाएं. Up, down. Breathe in, out, 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 and jog. And relax, stand still, take a deep long breath and breathe out. Now come in front of the mat, join your palms in Namaste. Breathe in, stretch your arms up, go a little back, push your pelvis forward. Stay there. Breathing in, come up. As you exhale, bend down in the third position. Breathe in. Take your right leg at the back, left leg forward. Fourth position. Look up. As you exhale, the fifth position, Dandasana. Breathe in, go back, stretch your arms. Shishuvasana, and as you exhale, come down and complete 6. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Take long deep breaths. And as you exhale, tuck your toes in downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to push your chest towards your thighs. And breathing in, right arm comes in between the palms. Look up, 9th position. Deep breathing. Exhale, the 10th position, Hastapadasana. Breathe in, Ardha Chakrasana. Go back and relax in 12. Namaste. 2, stretch up, go back. 3, bend down. 4, right leg forward, look up. 5, push up pose. 6, go back, stretch your arms and bend down. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Come to 8th, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, left leg comes forward, the 9th position. Exhale, come to the 10th position. Breathe in, stretch your arms up, go back and relax your arms. Join your palms, Namaste. 2, stretch up, go back. 3, bend down. 4, left leg forward. 5, push up. 6, go back and down. Bhujangasana. 8, downward dog. 9, right leg forward. 10, both the legs forward. Breathe in, stretch up and relax. Namaste. 2, 3, everyone. 4, right leg forward. 5, Dandasana. 6, go back and bend down. Breathe in, smiling cobras. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, breathing in. Breathe out, 10th position. Breathe in, stretch up, go back and relax. We have completed 2 sets. Let's start. Namaste. 2, stretch up. 3, bend down. 4, left leg forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, do it with the breath. 9, right leg forward. 10, 11, and relaxing 12. Namaste. 2, 3, bend down. 4, right leg forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, left leg. 10, 11, and relaxing 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep smiling. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and relax. Namaste. 2, 3, don't give up. 4, left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, right leg. 9, 10, 11, 12. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, don't give up. 7, we are about to complete. 8, 9, 10, 11, relax, namaste. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathe in. 7, exhale. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, namaste. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, everyone. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, namaste. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, deep breathing now. 5, 6, 7, Bhujangasana. Take deep breaths. 8, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 9, left leg. 10, both the legs forward. Breathe in, stretch up, go back, and relax your arms. Stand still. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Feel what all is happening in the body. Take deep breaths. You may keep your eyes open also. And slowly let us sit down. धीरे से आराम से बैठ जाएं. Sit in Sukhasana. Take a deep breath and let go. Let us practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Place first 2 fingers on the middle of your eyebrows. Breathe in. Breathe out from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left. Breathe out from the right. Breathe in right. Out left. In left and continue. Keep taking long and deep breaths. गहरी लंबी सांसें अंदर बाहर. And relax after this round. Breathe in. And with a smile, let go. Now, just for a few minutes, keep your eyes closed and observe the breath. कुछ देर के लिए आंखें बंद कर कर बैठे और अपनी सांस पर ध्यान रखें. Breathe in and breathe out. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May there be peace and happiness all over. और धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते